As we enter in your kitchen, you can see you will be getting, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Leap in Rivalli Park 2 by CCI Projects located in Borivali, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. The actual land parcel is right behind these towers that you can see, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see Magathane metro station is right opposite to the project, bang on Western Express Highway. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 6 acres that will have total of 6 towers. And now speaking of tower Sky Leap, it will have 2 basement, ground plus 53 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also you have Jodi options available. Now talking about location and connectivity, as you can see we are at the actual location. Right behind me is Western Express Highway and Magathane metro station. This project is located on Western Express Highway near Magathane metro station, from where Magathane metro station is at a distance of 2 minutes. Borivali railway station is at a distance of 1.4 kilometers. Sky Mall is at a distance of 5 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Now we are standing at the spacious 3 BHK of the residential project Sky Leap in Rivalli Park 2. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1338 square feet. As we enter, you can see you will be getting a very spacious foyer area. And to the right of the entrance is your kitchen space. As we enter in your kitchen, you can see you will be getting an L-shaped platform. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can also see how spacious your kitchen is. You have space provided on this side of the kitchen that you can customize totally as per your choice. You can also place your refrigerator over there, and over here you will be getting full French window with a facade for your safety and views and ventilation. And in this corner, you have your staff room along with a private washroom to your staff room. Now let's move forward and have a look at the apartment. As we move forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can easily place your 2-side sofa along with your center table. You can customize your TV unit. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture, and attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs, your swings, and you can enjoy the views with your friends and family. Moving forward, over here in this corner, we have your dining area where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. As we move forward, over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your bedroom. Before that, over here in this corner, we have your powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right opposite to your powder washroom is your first bedroom. As we enter, you have a foyer area in your first bedroom that will give you privacy. To the right of the entrance, we have the private washroom of this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you can see in the foyer area on the left side, you have wardrobe space that will give you a walk-in wardrobe feel, which also makes your bedroom look even more spacious and bigger. This over here is the space of your first bedroom that you can design as a kid's bedroom or your guest bedroom. You can see how spacious this bedroom is. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can easily customize a study corner, a TV unit, or whatever you want. It's totally up to you. And in this bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a railing provided for your safety and beautiful standing balcony view. Now, let's move forward to the other bedrooms. As we move forward on this side, we have the space of your second bedroom. As we enter, you can see this bedroom is also very spacious. To place your king size bed along with your side tables, you still have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can make and design a beautiful seating corner over here alongside with the full French windows and railing that will maintain your privacy, your safety and beautiful standing balcony view. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner and also build lots if you wish to. And over here we have the private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's enter the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, to the right you have a walk-in wardrobe that you can customize totally as per your choice. It is very spacious. And attached to your walk-in wardrobe space is your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see this bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space. You can easily design a very beautiful seating corner or your study corner, whatever you wish to. And in this bedroom again, you will be getting full French windows with railing provided for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Leap in Riverlea Park 2. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.